Hello viewers, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel I share my trading journey with you guys, and I also share my view on what I'm looking at in the market, right? So guys, during the week before the beginning of the week I dropped a video on my weekly buyers, and I told you guys I was expecting on that video I told you guys I was expecting the DXY this week to be a buy for the DXY, right? But as you can see right here, this is just an update, guys. So let me show you guys what I'm seeing in the market. So I told you guys that I was going to see DXY buy into all of this imbalance right during the week. Then uh, or maybe from Monday to Wednesday. Then on Thursday I would love to see DXY sell during NFP, right? So personally myself, I was anticipating a sell during the NFP. After DXY must have traded and filled up all of this imbalance, right? So that was what I was anticipating, but then we can see price normally does what it does. Yes guys, so I was actually hoping for that buy this week, during the week, and I actually lost. It's a pretty losing week for me. Not, I won't say fully. I lost a whole, I think a total, I've taken 5 trades already in the week, during the week, and a total 4 of them are all losses because um DXY is just doing its thing and the market is not doing so well right this week, guys. So that's just it. But let's quickly take a look at what we are seeing here. So for because this imbalance, or the imbalance, devoid uh, the fair value gap, and this breaker block is yet to be mitigated. So I'm looking at price during NFP. I'm looking at NFP being a buy for the dollar index. Although dollar is very weak, it's showing a sign of like the weakness is so crazy, guys. But it's very weak. That's one thing I can tell you. But then looking at the market, right, apart from that, fundamentally, technically it should be a buy, right? Because we would love to see price fill up all of these imbalance. But however, for fundamentally, guys, I can't tell if fundamentally it's more of like a sell, because dollar has been so weak this week. And yeah guys, that is just what I'm saying. However, I'm still looking at this guy buying because I'm a technical trader and I love to use my technical analysis to predict the market, speculate, right? So not predict. No one can predict the market. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. So I'm looking at CPI buying up to this fair value gap, and then maybe we'll start seeing a sell from this region, right? So this is what I'm looking at. So let's quickly go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD has given me one loss this week. I lost a trade on GBPUSD, and I'm actually not going to start analyzing all of that. I was hoping of taking a trade here yesterday, but then I didn't take the trade anyway because I didn't get confirmation. So at least I didn't take that loss. Though I learned a whole lot of lessons during from this GBP USD trade. Like for me, it has changed a lot of things, and I thank God I haven't lost the trade because it made me to really learn a lot of things after losing the trade. Right, yeah. I learned a whole lot from this GBP USD loss trade. I learned a whole lot from it. Right, guys. So that is just it. That's what I'm looking at for the week, guys. So let me quickly show you guys something else, guys, on the chart. What I'm seeing on BTC. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing on BTC. You know I'm a crypto trader too, right? So I can see BTC on the daytime rejecting off this level, because it's rejecting off this level. And if you look at this is a fair value gap here, a fair value gap. And if we measure 50%, because the fair value gap is very wide, if we measure 50% of it, our price has traded into, let's take a measure. This is just the here, from here to here. I'm using my Fibo guys. I'm using my Fibonacci guys. We can use this measuring tool as well. Let's just use measuring tool here to here. So if you look at it, price has traded into 50% of this range of the fair value gap, which is the consequent encroachment, and which is very cool guys. Although price has been consolidating on the daily time frame, but then on the the daily time frame, so and we can see price is rejecting off via this level, right? So price, we could see price start selling off from that level. So and also I came on to the daily 4-hour chart, and also that the 4 hour, actually this is actually a buy formation, a buy structure here, right? We can see buy structure. This is showing a pure buy structure here. So I actually took a trade, but then it was a very low probability. I took a buy setup here, I lost it, although I knew I was going to lose a trade. So because I knew that it was a very low probability setup, i I actually did not risk much, right? So here guys, I saw price traded higher, breaking 1 hour, changing the character on the 1 hour time frame, traded into the this 4 hour fair value gap. So this trading into this 4 hour fair value gap, and price has rejected off it. So potentially I'm looking at price trading into this sell side liquidity here. First we will target here, and then ultimately we'll target the sell side liquidity. So this is what I'm looking at on BTC right now guys. This is what I'm looking at happening on BTC, although the 4 hour looks bullish because this low, but however look, we are going to respect the daily time frame, right? And so for the CPI, during the CPI I'm looking at BTC selling off this level, right? Taking out this sell liquidity. Alright guys, I think I've done so much. I've actually done something here. If you like what I do on this channel, make sure you subscribe guys. Thank you.